Do you value your mobility? Would you like to be able to monitor your health and that of your loved ones? Check out Mezator BRT, the mobile guardian of your health. With Mezator BRT, you will waste no more time making doctor's appointments or awaiting a specialist consultation. You can carry out an effective therapy anytime, anywhere. How does it work? The device sends low-intensity electromagnetic waves to your body. This process helps strengthen your body and at the same time restores balance whilst destroying harmful pathogens. Being the size of a small tablet, Mezator BRT is a handy tool you can have by your side at all times. The device has inbuilt programs which will effectively help you fight allergies, arthritis, scabies, and hundreds of pathogens. An inbuilt memory of 8 GB will let you check previously saved data effortlessly. Every day, the human body is exposed to viruses, bacteria, and allergens, as well as other factors like alcohol, stress, or tiredness. It's worth taking care of it so that you can remain mobile.